All right, so now we're going to go through numbers 3 and 4. United Airline passengers paid $285 to fly to New Orleans. For this price, customers can check one piece of luggage. There is a fee of $50 for each additional piece of luggage a passenger wants to check. Write a function that represents the cost of the ticket. All right, so we see here that it's asking us to write a function rule that represents the cost of the ticket. We know there's a flat fee here of $285, and there's an additional $50 for each piece of additional luggage, right? All right, so that flat fee, right, that means there's a starting fee of $285. So this represents our y-intercept. And this $50 for each additional piece of luggage, that each tells you that we're probably dealing with the slope. So M represents the slope. X is the each additional luggage. So additional luggage. And it says write a function that represents the cost of the ticket. This question is representing our y. All right. Y is the cost of the ticket. And now we're ready to write our function. Seeing as how we have a slope here and we have a starting amount, we're probably writing this in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. So the cost of the ticket is $50 for each piece of additional luggage plus the $285 starting fee. And we're done. For number 4, it says a store manager begins each shift with the same total amount of X dollars. All right, so X is representing the amount that the store manager begins each shift with. All right. Amount of money manager begins shift with. That's our X. All right. She keeps $200 in a safe and distributes the rest equally to the 5 cashiers in the store. Write a function that represents the amount of money each cashier has at the beginning of the shift. All right, so if X is representing the total amount she has at the beginning, the manager has at the beginning, and it wants us to write a function that represents the amount of money each cashier has at the beginning of the shift, then we're going to let that function be y. All right, so y represents the money each cashier has. At the beginning of the shift. All right. All right, so the manager holds all the cards. So let's say X equals 5 cashiers. She distributes that money to, that's Y. Because she distributes the money to each cashier. So that's 5Y because there are 5 cashiers. And she puts 200 in the safe. And that's all the money. So the amount of money the manager has equals 200 she puts in the safe, and then she distributes the rest equally amongst the cashiers. This is our function rule. Let me know if you have any questions about that, guys.